Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have some wireless earbuds by Boiros. I don't know the name, how to pronounce it, but I'll leave a link in the description for Amazon. I am currently sick right now and making this review because I really want to test these out. So we're going to go ahead and go into the outside of the box. It has automatic pairing, HD, stereo surround sound, fast charging, a smart CPU, an ergonomic design, dual stereo. This has also 3D sound, which is really smart. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the box. So these retail for less than $35 on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. They're competing with a lot of the bigger companies like Huawei for a cheap price, but at a really good design and a good sound. So it's nice that they have stereo, because lots of these price points stereo isn't a thing, and binaural isn't a thing either, which is like perfect for like ASMR videos and stuff if you're not familiar with that. So on the top it says true wireless dual Bluetooth earbuds create a new time of freedom. And then, yeah, these are Bluetooth 5.0, which is obviously mandatory. And then it has where to connect. And then the user manual. So here are the earbuds. They look really nice. They feel pretty good. Alright, let's get some B-roll of this product. This looks really cool. As you can see, Boiros. This is a 400 milliamp capacity, rechargeable. Takes micro USB sadly, but just like the Huawei T10Cs, they also take micro USB. It is a lot smaller than the Huawei T10Cs, so that's really cool. They have basically almost very similar specs, if not even more specs than the Huawei T10Cs. The only thing it doesn't have is magnetic case and wireless charging. So if you don't care about those two, then these are the earbuds for you. But the more features that these ones have are stereo surround sound and binaural headphone sound, so 3D, which is really cool. So let's see what else we have in the box. So right here we have charging cables and different earbud tip size. So you have large and small. And then here is the micro USB cable, USB-A to micro USB. And that is everything in the box. So let's go and move that to the side. So here are the earbuds. Has a really nice opening mechanism. Looks really cool. Well, let's see if these are charged. I'm pretty sure they have like a connectivity protector. I don't know. Okay, there we go. So this is the right earbud. They do have protection. So these will be probably a little bit harder to configure which one goes left and right. Whereas the Huawei T10Cs, you'll always know which one's on the left and which one's on the right because they're built to go on one side and to go on the other side. So that's one other difference. Let's go and see if we can take these off with gloves. If not, I'm just going to take them off. Alright, so I just tested what they sound like. They sound really good. Bass is pretty good. The highs are really good, the lows are really good. I just listened to a few rap songs and some other types of songs with extra bass, with no bass, many different varieties of songs here. Sound quality is good on both ends. You can hear the person and they can hear you very well. The microphone is on the outside rather than on the bottom, which is good, because if it was on the bottom or on the sides, your ear would be picking up basically the microphone sound. So that's really good that they have the microphones on the outside. The ergonomic design is really nice. They're probably my most comfortable pairs of earbuds. They even have active noise cancellation, which I didn't even see until I looked at the box again, but they have smart noise canceling. I'm going to have to test out on a YouTube video and see if the 3D sound, I'm going to test out a 3D sound video. But overall, really good, very, very comfortable while wearing this. I can see myself wearing this for several hours. They compete with AirPods, pretty much. I mean, everything beats AirPods nowadays. Besides, obviously, the case and the price. If you're buying an Apple product, I don't want to rant here, but if you're buying an Apple product, you're basically overpaying for something that doesn't have a lot of features. This has more features than AirPods. They're very similar to AirPod Pros. They obviously don't have all the features, but they have most of them. Bluetooth 5.0 is probably the fastest pairing out there. But it is very cool. We're going to go and test out this. One of the negatives I don't like is that the right side and the left side are both like, the R is oriented in a different way. I wish it was oriented towards the earbud, but other than that, that's probably the only downside. But they pop in very easily, which that's very cool. I'm going to see if they're easy to take out. They're a little bit of a struggle to take out. If you were, yeah, you can mess them up. You could put the left one on the right side or the right side on the left. But you have blue and red indicator lights. So right now it's charging. So that means that obviously it's charging. So yeah, the case I really like a lot. I might actually test these out for more time. I'll give you a week review. I'll use these every single day for a full week. Yeah, but other than that, they're very good. They have IPX4 water resistance or rating, I'm not sure. But it basically means you could go take a shower with these. I haven't tested it out yet. I'll make another video. When I do my 1 week review, I will test out the water resistance. And subscribe now and you'll be able to see that video when it comes out. But I tested these ones out with water resistance, IPX4, the same water resistance this one has. This one is rated. Took a shower with these, works perfectly fine. Yeah, these are very, very similar. These are the only ones I'm going to be comparing them with, but I compared them with like AirPods and matte black AirPods, Antares D12s. I don't have them right now. They're all scattered around. I'm too lazy to get them, but you know, they're very good earbuds. I highly recommend you to get them. If you do want them, I'll leave a link in the description. If you don't want them, stay tuned for more. I'll be finding more earbuds eventually. I'll have another video getting posted within the next 20 minutes. And thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll get better.